Hi, my name is Cindy Castillo with Castillo Law. Today, I'd like to talk to you about sex crimes in the state of Arizona. Sex crimes in the state of Arizona are treated very harshly. It's important for you to understand that if you are being investigated for a sex crime, that you contact an attorney right away. The reason for this is that you could receive a call from the victim that is being recorded by officers. In this phone call, you might be lured into admitting something that you may not have done, but inadvertently say that you did do it. It's also important that you understand that other agencies might be investigating you at the same time. For example, CPS may contact you and want to talk to you about something that happened with your child. You may not even realize that you're also being investigated for a criminal offense. Again, it's very important to get an attorney involved right away if you suspect that you are being investigated for a sex crime in the state of Arizona. There are many things that a defense attorney can do that's experienced in these types of crimes in order to prevent these crimes from going forward. Most of these crimes result in prison sentences. Most of these crimes result in you having to register as a sex offender. This means that anywhere you move to, you will have to register as a sex offender. This means that you may also end up having to tell your employers that you are a sex offender. This may mean that you may be prevented from having certain types of jobs in the state of Arizona. Sex offenses are treated very harshly in the state of Arizona, and it's important for you to get an attorney on the case right away. Please feel free to contact me. I offer free consultations.